No worries over nickels and dimes, or a 9 to 5 grind. I gotta get loose sometimes.
Welcome to our power yoga practice. And this is just allowing us time to work on postures that we haven't for some time. We're going to have a warm up first and prepare ourselves, and then begin some technical work on some of the harder postures, working safely and slowly. We'll begin. Clasp the hands in front. Prepare. Inhale and lift the arms. Exhale. Breathe. Lift your stretch as tall as you can. Easy elbows. Prepare. Inhale. Exhale, left side bend very slowly so you feel the squeeze to the waist, and you can pull gently your right arm. Easy elbows. Inhale upright. Exhale and right side down. Breathe. Easy elbow. Inhale upright. Exhale forward, shoulder level. Bend the knees, tilt the pelvis, just tucking the bottom in as you breathe. Let the chin rest down, allowing us to stretch to the back of the neck. Keep your tilt, fingertips to the legs, really easy. Float them down, shoulders curl over, and just feel the weight of the arms. So we've got a nice easy breath, and we're working upper back. Cross the hands over on the legs. Slide the fingers round a little. Just pulling open. Uncross the hands. Prepare to crouch. Inhale. Exhale, push the bottom back and down, and fingertips will either point or touch down, maybe your palms down. So work the depth that feels safe, comfortable, and make sure those heels stay on the floor. Prepare. Inhale, upright, standing. Exhale. Breathe. Calm. Give your legs a little shake out now. So we're going to work on a forward bend, and I'm going to turn sideways on for this. You stay facing as you are. So from a sideways on view, so we have our feet closer together, arms to the sides for a forward bend. Inhale. Exhale and down slowly, so you've pulled the stretch comfortably around the glutes and down the back of your legs, hands on the hips. Okay, so as you are, you're focusing on the strength of your spine, so you're not tucking your chin under, squashing your throat. You need to be aware of what you feel and the calm of your breath. Push your bottom back as though you're trying to sit down, so you've got that bigger stretch, and it will pull from beneath the buttocks down behind your knees. Really important to focus on where the stretch needs to be felt safely. So we'll stay right angle, breathe easy, and bend your left knee a little. So as you bend the knee, you're allowing the hip to sink down, you will feel, and then a bigger stretch to the back of your right. Nice easy breath, and we'll change over. So it's going to be straighten left, bend right, exactly the same. Breathe. Wonderful. Very gently straighten the right and return to your right angle. Prepare to lift. Inhale up slowly. Exhale. Staying as you are and me as I am, because you can see better sideways on how to perform the stretch for the hip flexor and into your thigh. So making sure you have enough room. With your right leg, I like to step forward a little, just so you have a short stride. Okay. All we're going to do is bend the back knee toward the floor as we bend the front knee. So the heel will come up off the floor. Prepare, inhale. Exhale, just easy bend. So you're allowing the knee to come down to a depth that's suitable. You can feel, okay, from the Achilles of your left and the pull down the front of the hip and into the thigh of your left. Focus. Wonderful, very gently. Inhale and push straighten back. Exhale, bend knees, push, step back. Prepare to step forward with your left. So nice and easy, bend knees, forward step, easy stride. Inhale. Exhale and gently just dip down a little and you breathe. Now we're working on the belly, so we're focusing on strength of the hara. Okay, so as you are, be aware of the strength you have. Wonderful, nice and easy. Inhale and straighten back. Exhale and bend knees, push, step back. Give your legs a little shake out, and I'm going to turn and face you now. And we're going to work on the floor, and we're going to crouch down. So as you stand mountain, prepare, inhale. Exhale, squeeze the breath from your belly and crouch down so your fingertips touch the floor, maybe palms down. Okay, so from this crouch we need to bring the knees down. So hands up, arm's length, mat width. If you have a mat, you'll have that gauge. Otherwise, shoulder width apart. And nice and easy, knees to the floor. So once you've got your knees on the floor, place the tops of the feet flat to the floor. So I'm going to be facing in as well as you facing. So we've got ourselves in a mirror image. We're going to work on a hot lizard. So a hot lizard is for the arms, and this will take the arm out to your side at shoulder level. Prepare, inhale. Exhale and lift that left arm out to the side, shoulder level, and breathe. So this is a practice for our hot lizard. We keep nice and easy with the knees to the floor. Wonderful for strengthening up shoulders and back, keeping your belly strong as well. Prepare, breath change over. Inhale, left palm down. Exhale and right arm out. Breathe. Inhale and right palm down. Exhale. now we work on reverse lizard, and this is to take the leg out to the side. So we'll work with the easy, as we have here, with the knee bend, so we're not straightening the leg out completely, or we can extend out fully and work on flexion of the foot, so we've got a nice strong straight leg. So let's begin with that left side first. Inhale. Exhale, squeeze the breath out your belly, slowly keep the strength. Okay, so we've got left knee up or extend out. Working on these postures is really important because the demand of weight, legs are heavy, will work for the hip and outer thigh. Focus. Prepare, inhale and tuck the heel in. Exhale and down. Next breath, working on that right. Inhale. Exhale, lift out, stay knee bend or extend out fully, and breathe. Inhale, tuck in. Exhale, down as you finish, and stay hands and knees now. So from this, you stay as you are, and I'm going to turn sideways on, because this way you can see the posture as we work through. Now, some of these postures we need to make sure we've got plenty of room. So reaching forward and of course straightening back with the leg. So we're going to work on opposite stretch. So with opposite stretch, we'll go back nice and straight with right leg, and then straight forward, left arm. Prepare. Inhale. Exhale, squeeze the breath from your belly. Right leg back, left arm forward, extend. Push from the heel and straight through to your fingertips. Breath change over. Inhale, palm and knee down. Exhale and left leg back, right arm forward. Breathe. Wonderful. Inhale and down. Exhale as you are, staying hands and knees. Another posture we work, songbird. Now songbird is wonderful because it will work from the hip and the glute, and this is adding arm pressure all the time, so we keep the wrists strong as well. So we're going to go up with that left leg first. Inhale. Exhale, squeeze the breath from your belly, push up with that left, work from the hip, squeeze the glute, point the toes up to the sky, breathe, songbird. Prepare a breath change over, inhale, left knee down. Exhale and right up. Breathe. So you're working from the hip, you're pushing up nice and strong. Calm your breath. Wonderful. Very gently inhale and bring that right knee down. Exhale here, staying hands and knees, just a moment. We're going to sit back on the heels now. So as you sit back on the heels, just take a moment and focus on a calm breath. So we'll work now in this position. Now, hands and knees is fine for a short while. keeps the arms working and nice and strong. But this time we're going to focus on fingertips. So we've got fingertips to the floor behind the hips. We're going to work on a posture called camel, and this is quite a tough one. So we're going to work on postures that we need to maintain. So fingertips down. Just take a moment, breathe calm. Okay. Focus now, you're going to feel the pressure now. If your fingertips are really struggling, you can bring your palms to the floor. With palms down, the height of the lift isn't as deep, so you work with what you feel comfortable. And we're going to tilt squeeze the pelvis, lifting the bottom off the heels. Inhale. Exhale and up. Breathe. So the camel. Now this is quite a deep posture on its own. So you work and you stay as long as you can safely. Prepare. Inhale and down gently. Exhale and sitting up a moment. This is just allowing you time to relax your shoulders and work again, second repetition. So you can choose to have palms or fingertips. We can work on a deeper posture now. So those who've had more practice might need that little bit more. So we place the fingertips to the heels for the deeper version of camel. Prepare. Inhale. Exhale, tilt, squeeze, and push up. Breathe. Prepare. Inhale and down. Exhale. Nice and easy, place the fingertips to the front of your knees and then come up onto the flexion of your toes. So we've got that little bit of push now which will stretch the soles of the feet. Prepare to stand. Inhale. Exhale, push from the fingertips, knees up, heels to the ground as you glide and you stand mountain. Take a breath. Wonderful. Just give your legs a little shake out now. So as I turn and face you, just take a breath and shake out the legs, get the circulation moving. I always find that upright balances can be a little bit challenging. So we're going to work on something easy, being aware of at home in case you have anything that you might fall. We don't want any accidents. So a clear space, and we'll work on a nice easy knee hug. So this is just a case of bringing the knee up, interlacing the fingers under the thigh or below the knee. So you work with what you're comfortable, so you can work nice and safely. Let's prepare. Working with the left first. Inhale. Now exhale, you must squeeze your belly strong, so you keep nice tight hold. Hands under thigh, below the knee, and you hug this up. Flex the foot flat to the floor rather than pointing the toes down. Calm your breath. Keep your focus. Remember, the squeeze of the belly is to enhance the strength of your posture. Wonderful. Nice and easy. Inhale and release down. Exhale. So working with the right right side now. If you're stronger this side, the lift will come up nicely, but you're working on a standing leg that's a little bit weaker. And also we've just worked this leg, so be careful. Inhale. Now exhale, squeeze the breath out the belly as you bring that right knee up. Choose how you hold and you breathe. Excellent. Inhale and release down. Exhale. Give the hands and the legs a good shake out, kick out. Okay. So we're going to return to the floor again. I'm going to turn sideways on and you work as you are facing. So we have a view of what we're going to do. Again, we're going to crouch, prepare, inhale. Exhale, crouch. Fingertips about shoulder width apart and knees down. Flexion of the toes, easy, and then returning to hands and knees. Okay, now for this one, it's very similar to a reverse lizard, but we're going to hold round the heel. So we're going to take the leg out to the side. Okay, so we're going to come through here, holding, and extend out. Okay, if that's too much, simply do reverse lizard. Okay, so working nice and safely. We'll go for the left side first. Prepare. Inhale. Now exhale slowly as you tuck the left knee under to reach the heel and out. Breathe. Prepare. Inhale and in. Exhale and down. So working on that right side now, prepare yourself, inhale, exhale, tucking the knee under to reach for the heel, extend out. Wonderful. Inhale gently and come down. Exhale and hands and knees. Working on flexion of the toes and bringing the hands in a little closer. Okay. We're just going to push the knees up off the floor and come onto ball of the foot. Inhale. Hands slide in a little. Prepare. And we're going to stand. Inhale upright. Exhale. Nice and easy. Give your hands and your legs a little shake out. So we've been up and down off the floor now, and it's good because it keeps the practice flowing and the strength. Okay, upright. Take a moment. We're going to work on, again, a forward leg balance. So an upright balance again, be aware of how you feel. This time we're going to work forward without the hold or with. So you need to focus on this because if you have carpet in your living room, it's going to be a little bit springy and your balance might be slightly compromised. So go very slowly. So let's go with the left leg first. Inhale. Exhale, squeezing your belly slowly. Bring that left knee up and reach down and hold up around the ankle. And you straighten forward. Hold. Inhale and down gently. Exhale. Right side. Inhale. Prepare for right side. Inhale. Exhale, slowly squeeze the belly, bring the knee up, reach, hold, and breathe. Exhale, inhale and down. Exhale. A moment to calm. Just give your legs a shake out again. Shake out the arms because of the hold. The grip is quite strong. So we're going to cool it down now. And we work quite strong. And these are postures that you can practice time and again so that you keep your focus and you don't lose all of that benefit that you have gained. It's not nice to lose strength because of circumstances, so we'll cool it down now and we'll work nice and easy mountain. We'll take a lengthening stretch, nice and slowly. Clasp the hands in front. Inhale, lengthen up. Exhale. Breathe. Easy elbows. Prepare. Inhale. Exhale, left side bend. Breathe as you pull gently the right arm. Easy elbows. Inhale, upright. Exhale, right side down. Breathe. Pull gently, left arm. Easy elbows. Inhale, upright. Exhale, forward, all the way down with the hands now. Fingertips touch on the legs, shoulders curl over. Breathe. Nice and easy. Inhale, upright, mountain. Exhale. Place your hands against your lower back so the fingertips touch either side of your spine. Stay as you are, and I will turn this sideways for you to see. With the breath, as we exhale, we lean back very gently, easy crescent moon. Inhale. Exhale. So just softening the knees, lean the shoulders back comfortably behind the hips. And just allow the head to pull back gently, not to rest to pull the throat. Prepare. Inhale, upright. Exhale, easy arms to your sides. A moment to calm. Give your legs a little shake out now. That was really well done. Keep your practice going. The postures that you have seen for this session, work as many times as you can. Work the easier versions whenever, regardless of having done the deeper ones. Go with how you feel, and then we'll keep working through each session, enhancing some other postures. So stay with me on this, and we'll be doing all right. Take care. I'll see you again soon.